From the Leaning Tower of Dallas to the Russian high-rise demolition fail. Today in this video we are going to have a look at 7 demolitions that went horribly wrong. Without further ado, let's get started. The 93-year-old bridge refused to be collapsed from the explosives used by the demolition company, costing the company tens of thousands of dollars. But luckily they were successful in their second try. The building was originally known as the Affiliated Computer Services Building, but after a failed implosion attempt in February 2020, the building partially collapsed and leaned to one side, leading to its new nickname. The building stood in its leaning state for several months, and eventually, in September 2020, the remaining structure was finally taken down. The Pontiac Silverdome was a sports and entertainment stadium located in Pontiac, Michigan. In December 2013, the stadium's roof collapsed due to heavy snow, further damaging the already struggling structure. The Silverdome was finally demolished in December 2017 after an unsuccessful attempt. This illegal structure in Sevastopol, Russia, was wired with explosives for demolition as a crowd gathered to watch the demolition. At first it seemed successful, but the building was ultimately left leaning at an absurd angle. The 50-year-old building in Brisbane, Australia had seemed like it was going to offer us such a satisfying sight to watch, and it was well packed with explosives. But the building refused to fall and got settled in a distinctly unstable posture. Later it was brought down by cranes. The St. Petersburg Sports Complex was scheduled for demolition in 2020. While workers were removing the connections between the stadium's wall and roof, it suddenly collapsed. During the tragic event, one worker died while many others were severely injured. The 12-story Clarion Casino Hotel was packed up with pounds of explosives. At first, everything went according to plan. The multi-story hotel was turned into rubble in no time, but to everyone's surprise, the elevator shaft remained standing. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Do check out our other videos, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in our next video.